Welcome back to the Daily Hunt, brothers. Today is Tuesday, and gold is setting up one of the cleanest, yet most dangerous traps for retail traders. If you are looking at the 1-hour time frame right now, you might think the market is ready to bounce. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why the banks are preparing a massive trap and how we can ride this move like professional smart money hunters. Make sure to watch until the end. And let's look at the chart. Look at this 4,500 price level right here. Retail traders see this as a strong support line because the price bounced here before. They are putting their buy orders and placing their stop losses right beneath this line. But remember our rule: what retail calls support, the market makers call liquidity. This is a massive sell-side liquidity pool. The banks are intentionally building this support to collect enough money before they drive the price down to clear everyone out. So what is our game plan? We do not buy here blindly. We wait. We wait for the New York session to open. Our prediction is that the market makers will push the price aggressively lower, pierce through this 4,500 level, and sweep all those stop losses. Once the liquidity is completely hunted and we see a market structure shift on the lower time frames, right here during the New York session, that is our confirmation. This is our exact entry point to buy with the banks. Once our entry is triggered after the liquidity sweep, expect a violent expansion upwards. The market will move fast because it has the fuel from the retail stop losses. Our ultimate target is the 4,600 level, where the next major take profit rests. Don't be the liquidity today, be the hunter. If you want to see the live results of this trade, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and join our trading family. Link in bio. See you on the next hunt. Peace.